Go, pout your lips. Wow, very good. I'll make a brush. Your brush. Wow, very good. Very good. Ang galing talaga. Ganyan ang pag-makeup. Sige. Then, put on your face. Put on your face. Wow, very good. Then, put on your cheek. On your cheek. Wow, very good. And then, in your face. Look, tita, look. Alex. Wow, very good. Kanino ko ba nagmana? Sino bang maganda? Tita?
May.
Ay mo, maganda?
May.
Si?
Alex.
Hindi! Maganda si? Tita?
May.
Sabihin mo nga ng buo. Maganda si Tita May. Sabihin mo, maganda? Hey!
May.
Maganda? Sabihin mo maganda? Sino ang maganda? Ang tanong. Si Tita?
May.
Very good.